Planking is a popular exercise that has been gaining popularity in recent years due to its ability to strengthen the core muscles and improve overall fitness. The exercise involves holding a plank position for a certain amount of time, usually starting with 30 seconds and increasing gradually over time. Planking can be done anywhere and requires no special equipment, making it a convenient and accessible exercise for people of all fitness levels. But what happens if you do planking for a year? Is it worth the effort? Let's find out. First, let's discuss the benefits of planking. 1. Improved core strength. Planking engages the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back muscles. Over time, regular planking can help to strengthen these muscles, resulting in a more stable core that can support your spine and improve your posture. 2. Reduced risk of injury. A strong core can also help to reduce the risk of injury, particularly when it comes to the lower back. By strengthening the muscles that support your spine, you may be less likely to experience back pain or injury. 3. Improved balance and stability. Planking requires you to maintain a stable position, which can improve your balance and stability over time. This can be particularly beneficial for older adults, as it can reduce the risk of falls and other injuries. 4. Increased flexibility. Planking can also help to improve your flexibility, particularly in your hamstrings, shoulders, and back. This is because the exercise stretches these muscles as you hold the position, improving your overall range of motion. 5. Enhanced overall fitness. Planking is a full-body exercise that engages multiple muscle groups at once, including the shoulder, chest, and leg muscles. By incorporating planking into your fitness routine, you can improve your overall fitness and achieve a stronger, healthier body. If you do planking for a year, you can expect to see improvements in your core strength and overall fitness. With consistent practice, you will be able to hold a plank position for longer periods of time, indicating that your core muscles have become stronger. You may also notice improvements in your posture and reduced back pain, as your core muscles are better able to support your spine. In addition to the physical benefits, planking can also have a positive impact on your mental health. Exercise has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety, and planking is no exception. By focusing on holding a plank position, you can quiet your mind and reduce stress levels. It's important to note that planking alone is not enough to achieve optimal fitness. While planking can improve core strength and overall fitness, it should be combined with other forms of exercise, such as cardiovascular exercise and weight training, for optimal results. In conclusion, if you do planking for a year, you can expect to see improvements in your core strength, posture, and overall fitness. Planking is a convenient and accessible exercise that can be done anywhere, making it a great addition to any fitness routine. However, it's important to combine planking with other forms of exercise for optimal results. So start incorporating planking into your fitness routine today and enjoy the benefits of a strong and healthy core.